Hi, I'm Pallavi Simmons, your makeup expert at Glamorous.com. Now I'm going to show you how to use a lip pencil to define, shape and fill your lips. Well, people always think that you have to match your lip pencil to your lipstick, but it's not always true. Well, in fact, a nude pencil also can create perfectly balanced and shapely lips, and it also provides a perfect canvas for any colored lipstick. To begin with, start at the top of your mouth and work your line towards the end of your mouth. Repeat from the middle of your mouth and the bottom lip and work towards the end of your mouth. This will give you the perfect shape that you need to achieve to begin with. And then proceed to fill and blend. When you outline your mouth, make sure that your pencil is always sharp, so you get precise lines. Now proceed to fill. The reason you're filling in with the nude color is to make sure that the upper and lower lip are the same color. Secondly, this will also prevent your lipstick from bleeding and feathering after a while. There. Once you're done, you have the perfect base for your lipstick. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned, stay glamorous.